Are you looking to enhance your customer engagement and drive more sales? Postscript SMS Marketing is here to help you do just that. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless integration of Postscript SMS Marketing with your PageFly pages, making your SMS campaigns more effective and personalized. To get started, you'll first need to install the Postscript SMS Marketing app on your Shopify store. When you are done, you can use this element in your PageFly page. I've included a link in the description below to make this easy for you. Now, let me guide you through how to access Postscript SMS Marketing in the PageFly editor. Once the app is installed, it's time to access the Postscript SMS Marketing element in PageFly. Head over to the PageFly editor. In the left menu bar, click Add Third-Party Element, then click the Manage Integrations icon on top. Search for Postscript SMS Marketing and activate it. This will add the element to the third-party element menu. Now, let's configure the Postscript SMS Marketing element from PageFly. In your PageFly editor page, navigate to the left menu bar, locate the Postscript SMS Marketing element, and click on it to view its variant. Simply drag and drop the variant onto the page editor. After adding the Postscript SMS Marketing element to the editor, on the right sidebar, you'll see the General tab. Below is the code box where you need to paste the embed code from Postscript SMS Marketing. It also has other settings such as visibility, attributes, and animation. Next, you'll need to configure the element from the Postscript SMS Marketing app. Start by creating a keyword in the app dashboard. Go to Acquisition, Keywords, Create Keyword. After that, access Share Your Opt-in link. Access List Growth Tools, share your opt-in link, e.g., Instagram Stories, click Get Started. In Share Your Opt-in link, there are 3 steps to finish to generate the short link. Choose Keywords, click on the keyword drop-down to choose from the list of keywords that have been created on the Keywords page. Create a Shopify page, click the Create Page button to create a landing page that contains the form code. Set your mobile opt-in message, write the message you want to send customers after they fill out the form. You can copy the embed code to use it in PageFly, by the way. Click on Edit Page to access the landing page on Shopify. Click on the Show HTML icon. Copy the code to use on PageFly. Next, we will go to the final configuration and styling in PageFly. Back in the PageFly editor, paste the embedded code into the content box in the General tab. You can further customize the appearance of the element in the Styling tab, adjusting margins, borders, and other effects to match your page design. Once you're happy with the configuration, don't forget to save and publish your page. Now, let's take a look at the live view. In case you want to add more padding for the title or add a line break for the content below, you can edit the embed code in the content box. You can change the padding of the title text by adjusting the number in the code. If you want to add a line break for the text, you can use the code BR. Now, let's recheck the live view. As you can see, the SMS sign-up form is seamlessly integrated into your PageFly page, ready to boost your subscriber list and drive more conversions. And that's it. By integrating Postscript SMS Marketing with PageFly, you've taken a big step toward enhancing customer engagement and boosting your sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check the description below for all the links and more information.